Hey guys, it's Ashley here. I've made a quick video to show you how you could trade the CPI news that's coming out later on in the day. Bear in mind, this is a very volatile time in the market, so you have to be careful not to open any new trades around that time. But these are some setups that you can keep your eye on as we have some multiple reasons for you to take them. So the first one is the USD yen. Now over here on daily, you can see that there's some clear support and resistance. Price has reacted at 138 area over here. So if you go on the 4 hour, you have a lot of confluence going on in here. So the support, then you have the 200 moving average, and then you have this trend line that I had drawn in here. That's which it has also broken out of. So you could be looking to take your trade anywhere around here for around probably a 50 pip stop. Ideally, you want to put it below these lows here. So that's around 50 pips. And this could be quite a good one. So around 300. But bear in mind, this is a triangle breakout here, which is telling us it's a potential 1000 pip move. So we have the breakout here. It's moved higher around 600 pips, I think. But this has a lot of room up here. So yeah, plenty of room. So it could be a good position trade as well. Then the next one that we have is the pound Aussie. So over here, I had this line of support, and that's finally broken out. We broke the 55 moving average. Now I had set an alert overnight to show me um, to alert me basically when the price comes in near here. I had kept it lower, it triggered, but it did not quite come higher as I wanted it to, because you can see there my entry, I wanted it around 85 900, 185 900. So it didn't get there yet, but if it comes around there during the news time or after, then I will be looking to take this short. So it's around 60 pip, and then the potential target is around 296, so around 300 pips. But you can see that there has been, it's been in the range here for a bit. This was in an uptrend. Uh, you would have got good longs here, but now it's broken that trend line, and I had missed this one last week. I think it was when the news came out. I didn't want to trade the news, so this thing dropped. Then I was looking for the pullback in this region again, but it didn't get there. Now I have the chance to take it if it comes anywhere around here. So this will be one to watch for later on when the news is out. So if it comes anywhere around here, I'll be likely to take it. Very good risk reward on that one. Um, Similarly on the pound USD, now this one looks quite messy at the moment, but the plan is for me, I want this to ideally come lower so I could look for a short. So if it breaks lower like this, and then I get a pullback, then I could be looking to take the short depending on what the last high it makes. But yeah, ideally you want to risk around 50 pips again, and then this does have the potential to do around 150 pips. So a nice day trade on that one. Then we have USD CAD. Um, Price hasn't come in here, so we are quite far away for the short. But you can see there now, this thing has been in the range for quite a while, but 133 is a massive, massive area. So if it does break lower, then I will be looking for a short. Again, you don't need a big stop, around 50 pips again, and then this has the potential to do 357 pips. Back to around 130. Actually, you can keep it higher because 130 is a psychological level, so around 280 to be realistic. Um, you can see there on the charts here, I have marked a few areas. It's quite messy at the moment to long it because you have the 200 in here, the 55 weekly in here. So the risk reward to long it is not really there. Um, but to short this, if it breaks below, then you have a lot of room down here. So around 240 pips for that one. And one of the last ones I wanted to show you was the Aussie cat. Right, so this one here, it is kind of a perfect setup at the moment, but because of the news, I haven't taken it. So we have the 78.6 fib here, 200 moving average, and then weekly 55 over there. So a lot of stuff going on in here. It is in a downtrend as well. At the moment, it's broken this trend line, but technically it's in a downtrend because it's not above these highs here. Uh, so this one is a nice setup as well, but I want to wait for the news to see what happens. If it has an overreaction, this could, try to head up higher in here, and then maybe I could look to short it, because then I don't need a big stop. So later on 30 pips, and then I could look to short it back down for 140, 150 first target, and then possibly 300 back in there. But I want to watch this over the news, so I want to see what happens. At the moment, the majors are going up higher. As you can see, the AUD is going higher, which is kind of pushing the Aussie CAD as well higher. So yeah, these are some of the setups I'm keeping an eye on for later on. Uh, Again, don't open it just before the news is out because the spreads widen and it's very volatile. You can't predict the news, so it can be anything really. It's expected to come out lower because, I mean, that's what we have been getting the readings in the past, the CPI readings, and also for Wednesday tomorrow, they are not looking to raise the rates. That's what's been in the forecast to keep it the same. Fed has given the clue as well that they are looking to keep the rates the same because they have already reached the peak, so they have maybe got one more rate hike. That's what they were saying last time. Um, so there are a lot of clues that the news could be expected. Um, but yeah, I mean, it could change anything. So this reading could be, if it comes in higher, then everyone is going to price in that the dollar is going to raise interest rates. Um, so yeah, just wait for the news to come out. Be patient, and like I showed you the setups, um, there's some really good setups here. So you just got to be patient for the move to come in, and then yeah, you could be looking to take them. All right, see you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.